Meaning of gatepost.
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 Gatepost. Gatepost refers to a vertical post or pillar that forms part of a gate, usually serving as the support for the gate. The post is typically made of wood, stone, metal or concrete, and can be plain or ornately decorated. Gateposts have been used for centuries to mark property boundaries and provide entranceways into private or public spaces. They are often seen in rural areas or on large estate properties. The term gatepost can also be used figuratively to describe an obstacle or challenge that must be overcome in order to achieve a goal.